I was gifted this 3D printed egg, and it is filled with 51 3D printed mini animals, and I absolutely love this. So let's take a look. This is the egg that they all come in. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you could absolutely use this as an Easter basket stuffer, and all 51 are in here. So let me show you. It opens on the bottom. It's a twist. You open it up, and there they all are. I actually am going to use these as individual Easter egg stuffers. So for instance, here's a panda. I am going to put this panda in one egg, or maybe two per egg. So when we do our Easter egg hunt at home, these are my egg fillers. I love that it's something different. It's not slime, it's not candy. It is something different that I know my kids are going to love. So I'm super excited about that. They're also all adorable and really great quality. They all move and all have so much attention to detail. I'm so impressed by this. Here is a fish. There's also a huge variety. It is 51 different animals. So here's a little sloth. I love the little sloth. Here is a little bear. So again, you're getting 51 different animals. It is not slime, it's not candy, it's something different. You could use these to fill up, oh my goodness, little chicken. You could use these to fill up individual eggs, or use just the big egg, whichever is right for your family and your situation. I am going to fill up all of our individual eggs. I also love that they have such a variety that you're making everyone happy. So my daughter loves unicorns. There's a unicorn in here. This is a platypus. My son loves dinos. There's dinos in here. So there's things for girls. There's things for boys. There's really something for everyone. A dolphin, a little raccoon. So cute. So overall, great quality, something different, such a variety. You cannot go wrong with this Easter. Highly recommend.